Alright, so right now I'm filming the disassembly of the jet ski video, but I'm making the second video right now, and my anxiety, ADHD, OCD is going crazy. The shop is fricked and I need to clean. I bought some stuff at Harbor Freight to organize. I bought a new shop vac. I bought a trash can. So we got to clean this shop. I got to get this boat motor out. That has to go. You can see the shop is just, it's destroyed. There's fiberglass everywhere. I have a pegboard I got from a coworker. So we're going to do all this stuff, start this video, and then we'll get back to taking this apart. It's currently about to be cut in half. Woo!
Gosh darn it.
Now we're about to get hurt. This very heavy tower of power. Nobody will buy it. Nobody will take it. I don't have the space. It's a shame. I have to get rid of it. It was free. Sorry, the person who gave it to me, I'm throwing it away. But I don't really have anything besides my muscle to move it. Have an engine hoist sucks, so we're just gonna move it and I'm gonna film it. So time to get hurt. Sexy, just very warm, humid out. But the boat motor is done. Now we are going to set up our new bin system for our raw materials and goods. And the cork boards, we can put some tape on there and all our supplies so we can be organized. But first we gotta take the license plates down and then we will put them up somewhere else. Gotta have decorations in your garage. This is like a vlog today. Oh well. The world can see how weird and retarded I am. I'm canceled. I am fucking canceled after that. Good job. Alright. Let's do the corkboard shit. Hello to YouTube, what up? We got another unboxing. It's that 30 bin wall mount parts rack. That's the best way to do it. dun. $10 with a coupon. A coupon. $10 with a coupon. There's a cat right here. I'll do that. Anything to level? Let's get back to work. Alright, so we will end the garage revamp video with a messy garage again. Thanks for coming. It's my ADHD, I guess. But I think we're going to end it with taking this apart. Selfie mode. But yes, we're going to take all of this out. Or maybe I'll save it for another video so I can get more views. That's what we're going to do. You just watched a short video, including the garage revamp. I'll give you a little tour for the end. Make it nice and... I love this. This looks so cool. Got Roey's bike. That gotta go. Lots of fiberglass. But over here, we put the license plates on the door. Got the new bins set up. They look great. My buddy Kevin from work gave me this corkboard with the little pegs. That's perfect. Hang some stuff there. TV from my parents' house. They got a new one, so I took it. Got my new shop vac. That works great too. Everything's looking pretty freaking good. Now it's just really messy. We got parts everywhere. I got my new trash can. Excellent. But there should be enough space. Let's hope. Let's hope. Let's hope. I love it. But thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to the channel, the vlog, whatever the hell you want to call this. Stupid shit with Aaron. There it is. I love beer. But have a great night. Thank you for watching. Peace.